This standalone Android smartwatch phone is called the Vision. It's got dual cameras on it, an Android 7.1.1 implementation of the operating system with all the things we've come to know tethered to your phone. You can get notifications, complete app drawer with all sorts of goodies in it, and a fitness section that gives you some classic types of workouts. For daily step count information, you've got a bar chart, your current steps, distance traveled, and calories burned. All of that in this nice, attractive, but rather thick package. This particular unit has red highlights in the band, around the bezel, and even around the button on the top. The two cameras let you switch between front view or side view on the fly, and it will let you, when you're tied to Wi-Fi and maybe cellular, you can actually do video chats, video talking on it as well. Overall, it's a nice Android smartwatch, and it's called the Vision. Check it out.